Hello again, Pietro here with Gadgets Anonymous. Thanks for stopping by today. Real easy question. What's your favorite thing about an Apple Watch? Well, here's my favorite thing about an Apple Watch, and I've only had it for... Let me show you my favorite thing. Here we go. So here I am just working away, and I closed my MacBook because I need to focus. Well, I like to play some music in the background. So I open up my MacBook. Whoa, how come it didn't lock? What was that? Let's try that again. Okay, now look really closely at my watch. Okay, you watching? Watch really closely. Oh, it didn't lock. Hang on. Okay, here we go. Was that, did you catch that? Your watch can be used to unlock your MacBook. Whether it's a MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, even if it's not that new, you can do it. So watch this. You go into settings, blip. And here, let me do a screen record. Hold on. So to do a screen record on a Mac, you go to Launchpad. You want to go to QuickTime Player. Open up QuickTime Player, and then once QuickTime Player launches, go up to File, New Screen Recording, and then you can choose what area to record. So I'm gonna choose record entire screen, and then I like a countdown of 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. To set up unlocking with your Apple Watch, Step 1, log into your Mac. Step 2, open up System Preferences. And then you want to look for Security. There we go, Security and Privacy. Use your Apple Watch to unlock apps and your Mac. Ta-da! Right there, circled. As soon as you check that box, you're good to go. Now, your Apple Watch cannot be in Do Not Disturb mode or bedtime mode. There's a couple instances where, depending on what mode your Apple Watch is in, it won't unlock your MacBook. But it's awesome. It's just one less password to remember, and it's just cool. I love the sound that it makes. So we'll wait. All right, that should be long enough. So now, keep your eye on the Apple Watch. Peter's MacBook Air unlocked this Apple Watch. Huh? That is so cool, right? I think it's pretty cool. And there's my QuickTime thing. So again, if you missed that, here I'll just show you again right on the screen. So step number 1, open up Settings. And then once you're in the Settings area, you want to click on Security and Privacy, the little house. And then there's a little option right there titled Use Your Apple Watch to Unlock Apps and Your Mac. And then you don't need to do anything on your Apple Watch. It automatically knows that it's going to be used to unlock your Mac. I just love it. And pretty soon, the Apple Watch will be able to unlock your iPhone and other devices. Thumbs up, Apple. Thumbs up. Well, I hope you enjoyed that short video. Pithy comments down below. I'll have another gadget review involving wearables or portables or lights or something like that. You know, something like this light right here. Hold on. Ooh. That is the Dyson Light Cycle Task Light. And yes, that is Hagrid writing on the top of it. Here, I just have to show you that. I think it's funny. I just thought it'd be fun to decorate the Dyson light, and that way I don't accidentally power off the... Because I always want to move the light up and down like that, and then when I do that, I turn it off. So I turn it on, and then I put Hagrid there to guard the power button, and then that reminds me to use the bridge, the extender part of the light to move it up and down. You know, this part gets really warm. You know, this has been on for quite some time, charging that device. That video, I think, already aired. Back to the MacBook. if you want to unlock your MacBook real easily, you can buy an Apple Watch. Click. See ya.